that OSB there, it had some dark marks on it along there. That looks really good now, doesn't it? The side of that 2x6 almost looks brand new, even though it's 17 years old. Okay, so you can see where the lines, where it's dripped, and that's how well it's done up there. In fact, when that gets a little drier, I might do a once over in there, get on my bucket or something and spray up in there one more time. I got plenty of Clorox. I've got a little bit left in there, not very much at all, but that's 1 gallon. So I know I'm going to need at least another gallon to get done, maybe a little bit more. And when I get back down in here, I might do a quick second coat, you know, a little quicker than this first one. Okay, so down under I go, and I'm going to spray in here next. But before I spray in there, like I say, this one here, this is almost empty, and so I'm going to unscrew it, let the air out. Boy, that's some potent stuff. Give me another gallon of this. One gallon at a time, that's all I'm going to do. Even if I think I'm going to need a little bit more. Push this down. Now I can screw it in. Pump it up. Back it off. There's a little hook there that once you tighten it, you loosen up and pull out of the notch. Yeah. Whew. That's good enough. And then hook it in there. Okay? Ready to spray some more. When I get done with spraying all this, if I got a third of a gallon left, I'm just going to spray more, get all of it out of there, and then I'll rinse this thing out with water. Rinse it out with water, and then at the bottom, leave some water in there, and then use the sprayer, the spray nozzle, and keep spraying until all the water comes out, let's say. That'll clean out the inside of your wand. Especially if you're using a sealer, like to seal your sidewalk or garage floor, your driveway, your patio. You don't want to leave sealer in there, then you can rinse that out. Look for the cleaning directions. You may have to put a little paint thinner down in there. Acetone, not acetone, probably paint thinner or something, or it could be water soluble or something like that. Last thing you want is to not clean that out, because then your nozzle gets all clogged up. You have to unscrew that and clean that out. And if it gets stuck real good in there, it's all plastic parts and stuff. You should be able to get it, or you chuck it and go get yourself a new one. They're about 20 bucks or so at the hardware store. $20–25, depending on the size. This is a 2 gallon, so obviously 1 gallon is cheaper. And get what you want. Alright, time to go underneath the house. Well, is the verdict in for the suit? So far so good. I'm a little sweaty in it, but I'm protecting myself. I even put tape around here. I even put it around my ankles right here after the plastic bag. And I got my feet covered. I put some around my neck. I've got my white t-shirt on, upside, inside out. I don't care if I get any Clorox on that. I can just throw it in the washing machine, right? Okay, so this suit, what was it? It was like $9, that's it. $9, $10. You can get Tyvek ones. This is not Tyvek, it's another material. You can get a Tyvek one for $13, $14 with a hood. Or you can get one like this without a hood. And they come different sizes. I saw extra large and double extra large. Hood and without hood. I was going to get a hood, but they didn't have them. They were all sold out, so I thought, hey, hooey on that. I'll make my own hood. Just think about stuff. When you're at the store, you don't get, lots of times when you go to the store, you may not find exactly what you're looking for, but you can always improvise, okay? So that's what I'm doing. I'm improvising, and I saved even more money. That's what I like. Okay, so I'm ready to spray in here, and I'm only spraying the areas where I scraped all that stuff out. This bay here, this bay on the inside, and I'll probably I might do a couple extra bays. I'll do the bottom too, and all that kind of stuff. I want to make sure I keep my extension cord out of the way. I got my nail bag under here, so I'm moving that right now. I don't want to get any Clorox on anything, right? So I want to make sure you can see what I see, and I think I got you set up pretty good right there. I got this all pumped up, all ready to go, and I'm gonna do up in here too, I think. I probably should have done that last so it didn't drip on me, huh? Yeah. I don't know how far that goes, but I'm going to do it as far as I can reach. Just saturate it. Getting on in that groove. Boy, if anything can live after that, more power to them, right? Right down in there. I gotta get out of here. It's getting to me. Okay, looks pretty good. Done it. Okay, I always want to overdo things. When you set this down, you can set it down and just put this under there and hold it. If you want to get that nozzle down in the ground, especially in dirt, you don't want to screw up your nozzle. Okay, I got to get back out of here and keep working on my project in there. Okay, back and forth I go. Ooh. So yeah, before I put the Hudson sprayer away, I'm going to rinse it out with water, and I'm going to leave a little bit of water in the bottom. I'm going to pump that back up, and I'm going to spray it through the wand to rinse that out as best I can. And I've got, as you can see, I've got 3 gallons of Clorox type bleach left, HDX bleach. And I've got a spray bottle. I'm going to end up putting a little bit in a spray bottle. So if I see any little areas that I want to think that, oh, maybe I need to, maybe I'll just spray a little bit on here or whatever, I can. I don't have to do it in the with the Hudson sprayer on it anymore. That's because I don't want it to be shooting out all over the place and stuff. I just put it in a spray bottle and just do it that way, and then I can leave the rest underneath the cabinet for the washing machine. Okay, I don't have to take that back to the store.